three.
I think this is the favorite lane.
Okay, ready, Jeff?
Hold on, buddy.
Get ready. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. I got it. 3.
Watch your hair. Watch your hair.
2, 3.
This one.
Corey, we want the other lane. We want pole position.
No, you're behind.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3.
I can't see. Kevin! Kev, move back.
Travis, make that thing move a little bit.
Hey, 1,
I hope he adapted it a bit.
3.
Every time we went to the meeting, you
We all set? 1, 2, 3.
We should have done that.
Everybody back up, please. Yeah, watch your fingers. 1, 2, 3.
unplugged.
1, 2, 3. Victory lap!